Good morning, you guys. It is 5:56 in the morning. I get up this early every morning, and today I'm going to take you along with me as I do everything I need to do all day long. Day in the life. Woo! I do think this is the nectar of life. You agree, Sam? Okay, so now it's 6:09 and I need to make breakfast. So now it is 6:42 and the kids are on the bus. They're woken, dressed, fed, teeth brushed, out the door, and I can sit down and work on my YouTube stuff, replying to comments, because I get so many, you know. But you know, I'd like to reply to everybody and check out other people's channels and things like that. And so yeah, I'm gonna do that for a little while. I watch any videos that pop up, and then when it gets closer to the time that shops open, I'm going to go shopping today because I need to get out of the house. Time to wash the sheets because my husband comes home tomorrow on Friday night, and I like to you know, have fresh sheets for him. And also I need to get myself straight because I never thought in a million years that I would be showing my unmade face and crazy hair in pajamas on the internet, but here I am. For you, that's all that I do. It's like 50 degrees out here. Like, I swear, like last week it was 80 and now it's 50. It's freezing. I kind of made an executive decision because I really needed to go. It's almost 10 o'clock and I need to like get my errands going. So I'm just gonna kind of vlog on my phone, and then when I get home, my battery will be charged, and then I can do a grocery haul and all that stuff. So hopefully you can hear me. My truck is a diesel. It's really loud, so hopefully you guys can hear me, and yeah. 2 o'clock. That was like a crazy long shopping experience. So I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul, and then I'm gonna show you what I got at Home Goods and Target and Sam's Club and where else did I go? Marshall's. I'm not gonna show you what I got at Dollar Tree because that's Halloween related, and you'll see that in an upcoming video. But here we go. Okay, this is on my Walmart. Cookies, of course. Light cream for a coffee, half and half for a recipe, pizza crust, eggs, Caesar salad tonight for dinner. My son asked for a little bit of chocolate milk, regular milk, apple cider vinegar to help with all these gnats, chicken broth, fresh mozzarella, shredded cheddar, shredded mozzarella, fiesta cheese, 2 things of sour cream, little caramel dipper things my daughter likes to take to school, some tomato sauce because you never have enough of that, salt and vinegar chips for my daughter, Cheez-It Grooves for my son, 10 pounds of frozen chicken breast because we go through chicken like crazy, some extra small shrimp. I like these because they don't have the tail on them, and I feel like you feel like you're eating more even though it's like the same 4 ounces as 4 ounces no matter how big the shrimp is. And iced oatmeal cookies for my daughter, more dip packs. And my son asked for some Old Spice stuff, so I got him a kit. My daughter and my husband wear contacts, so they need more of that. A wreath hanger, and then look at all this cleaning supplies. Oh, I got a bath bomb for myself. Eyebrow pencil for myself. This is for my daughter to stick in her backpack because she has gym every other day. Why is this not focusing? Some scrubbies, a new scrubber, some sponges, microfiber cloths, and some of these little scrubbies. So I'm all set. And then I went to Target and I found this for Halloween. I thought it was cute. These icebreakers. Oh my gosh. What? Am I not paying attention to you? It is okay. It's okay. I'm running out of my apple cider stuff, so I just went back to Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena because that's my favorite. Barkeeper's Friend for my sink because it's looking a little and I got some anti-bac for the kitchen, and I'm gonna try this instead of my like spray foam wood polishing. So Sam's Club, I ended up getting this rotisserie chicken for dinner. I wanted some new like body wash for myself, so I'm gonna try this triple butter body wash, see how that goes. It smells really good. Dr. Pepper for the kids. My son requested Gushers for snacks, so we're gonna see how that goes because usually they like eat them up in a week. He does not like this camera today. I think it's the tripod thingy, the little like Gorilla Grip thing. And he also asked for Doritos, so I got him some of those. I also got myself some new boots from Walmart. I think they're kind of cute. I don't know how they look on camera, but I don't know. I liked them. I thought they were cute. And I also got myself a pair of black ones, like little low booties. I don't know. I just wanted to try something different. Okay, this is the stuff that I got at Marshall's. I got Hot Mama, Hey Girl, and then I found Bah Humbug, Deck the Halls, a Naughty and Nice with a red inside, and I found this little pie tin that says Slice, and I love it. I'm a very casual Rae Dunn collector. He always has to follow me. I'm a very casual Rae Dunn like collector. I don't obsess over it, and I just go when I go, and if I see something I get it, but I also leave things on the shelves for other people. And from Home Goods, I got this cake platter and it says tasty. So you can't go wrong with like a cake pedestal, a white cake pedestal. Like, it's pretty classic. And I also found this, which I have been looking for these for a while because I just love it. I just kind of like long matches in a jar. I'm probably gonna put this up in my bathroom because I like having candles while I take a boo-boo bath. And back to go pick up my daughter from school. It is her first middle school dance, and yeah, it's only from 3 o'clock to 5. But I'm picking her up at 4:30 because she asked me to. So yeah, my day feels very long at this point, and it's only 4 o'clock. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it the end of the vlog. I've got my my salad, and I'm gonna sit down and I'm going to edit this video and see if anything good comes out of it. I don't know. I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, so hopefully it turns out okay. It's what time is it? It's like 6:30 at night, and my day started at 5:45 in the morning, and there's no Grey's Anatomy tonight. What the heck? My son is away on a fun little trip to Busch Gardens, so he should enjoy that. My daughter's actually upstairs asleep. This schedule we're on is really brutal, and we're all just trying to get through the week. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.